If parcels don't have shipping labels, they can't leave your warehouse. In this short video, we're going to look at the live unprinted warehouse parcels report. Prioritize parcels to get them to the next status and avoid dispatch delays. Firstly, let's change the planned dispatch date to parcels due for dispatch today. Now you can see how many unprinted parcels you have that are due for dispatch today. To ensure you prioritize ones that need the most urgent attention, you can filter them by carrier service. Do this by viewing the unprinted parcels by carrier service chart. In the carrier service column, you'll see the number of parcels you have on the express courier service. These need to be prioritized so they can be dispatched and leave the warehouse as soon as possible. Highlight the carrier service and right-click to show all. This enables you to drill down further and shows you all the unprinted parcels according to this carrier service. To get further context around these issues and to help you move it to printed status, you can look up the consignment in Delivery Manager.